got it on camera. She kisses me. She loves me. We are still hanging out in Donna, Texas. We have decided to jump across the border today. We're going to go down and make the crossing at the international border here at Progreso. Thought we'd take you along for the ride. Get Miss Donna some Mexican food in Mexico.
Oh yeah.
We'll catch back up to you in a minute. Made it to the border. $2 parking just off to the right before the border. So we'll walk across from here and let you know how it goes. Rio Grande River. We are officially doing the line right here. First shot we came to, you can see behind me, is almost sensory overload. There's so much stuff in here. So many people, and the shelves are so close together. So yeah, it's tight, and there are a lot of stuff. Lots of stuff.
Do you need some snacks?
That's a lot of candy. Holy shit.
Oh man.
I don't recognize any of the names, but holy snap. There's a lot of candy. When you come to Mexico, you can buy your own tequila that's in a pistol. Even got shot glasses in a wood case right here. $55 for everything.
She's getting her purse.
You know she did. Well, her medicine.
For her granddaughter, I think. What's the air going? Hi.
Do it in the truck with the air going.
Hey, travelers.
They let us back in.
We're back in Texas.
We're back in the United States.
And it's hot.
It is hot. They have an unprecedented heat in South Texas this week for some weird reason. Talking about temperatures in March being over 100 degrees. So.
Of course, some of our fans may not care about that.
They really may not care about that. Y'all probably don't care if it's snowing wherever you're at. So anyway, Mexico.
It was okay.
Yeah, it was okay.
You know.
You can get stuff. We got blankets and food and beer. And
Food was good.
The food was good where we ate at. So. But yeah, I mean, it's a very different experience. I think that it would take multiple trips to become comfortable with it. So, as you learn places to go and where not to go. But
Ladies, you can get a mani-pedi really cheap.
$12 for
I may
a
do that
pedi.
next time.
Yeah, we may come back tomorrow and get that done tomorrow. And now that we kind of got a lay of the land a little bit and know that we can get across the border, we did use our driver's license to get across the border. The agent at the gate, as we came back across, said that our license was fine, but our passports are expired.
Yes.
And he told me, he said, well, you can still use your passport as proof of citizenship even though it's expired. So if we come back tomorrow, we'll bring our passports with us just as proof of citizenship. Don't know what good it would do, but interesting to hear it from somebody that's actually.
I didn't
at
have
the
any
gate.
problems, so.
No, I didn't have any problems. It was just he asked if I had a passport, and I said, yeah, but it's expired. He said, well, next time bring it with you. He was real nice about it. I mean, it was a good experience going and coming across the border, so no complaints here. If you like what we're doing and you want to keep up, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.